Hi, in this video, we'll remove the dynamic created dynamic component we remove from the DOM dynamically. So, previous video, if you are watching, please watch. We created a dynamic component in the Angular framework. Okay, so in this video, how to remove the created dynamic component, we'll see. So in the previous video, we created still create a component of the dynamic shared component. Then after that, based on the reference, we have to take the instance of this and create a variable. The instance value, pass it to the shared dynamic component. Then after that, the shared dynamic component, right? So in this unique key, we have to pass the whatever the value incremented or decremented, whatever the value we have to pass into to the child component. So here this unique key we have to declare in the dynamic component, the unique key and parent reference. Okay, after the parent reference we have to take this component reference and whatever created a dynamic component we are pushing into this one array. So then next is in the child so in this HTML, based on the click, we are taking the unique number, whatever the created unique number, and pass it back to the parent component. Okay. So after when once we are clicking the remove component, created a component, we are checking this container, the length. Once the length we are checking if it is less than of 1, we have to return back there is no component is created. Then after that we have to find this the array, the find the index based on the unique key. It will return that array index value. Then after that, based on that, we have from the container, based on the index value, we have to remove that created a component, and after that, refreshing this array, push the created a component to this component reference array. So we'll check this flow in this DOM fresh. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The length is now it is an 8, right? So then once we are clicking this, we'll debug and I will show you. Once this remove click, we are taking the unique and pass this value argument value to this parent one. Okay, so we'll add this to here. Okay, so once this is added, it is container is checking the length. Length is now it is 8. It is this it is not satisfied. So then after that it will check the array values and based on the unique key, there is an component wise created a component. There is created a unique key, and we are passing from child to the which we have to remove the component. This is the two number two. So then after that it will create and give the index value. The one index value we have to remove from here. Then after that, see now it is removed and the component reference array created, right? So from here also we have to remove it. So now it is a totally 7 it is created. If you remove, let's remove the debug. Now it is a 3 and 6 it is there. If you create 5 and now it is a 5 and 4, now it is a 4. Now 8 remove and remove the 8 component and 3. And also that we are passing from parent to child component, there is a values, right? You can pass the any value from this parent to the created a dynamic component through like this. Yeah, that's it. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. If this